Most people get this wrong. They assume EasyFundMe is just another payday or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and easy budgeting tools into one platform. When used responsibly, it can be a smart way to manage short-term expenses without getting trapped in high-interest debt. Here's how EasyFundMe works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller payments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, EasyFundMe charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction. On top of that, it includes optional dashboards and reminders to help track spending, plan your cash flow, and avoid late fees. The downside, overusing the app can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments add up fast, and relying too heavily on EasyFundMe may hide deeper budgeting issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set calendar alerts or push notifications to avoid missing repayments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on advances. Who should use EasyFundMe? People with stable income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing bigger purchases. If your income is irregular or you struggle to stick to repayment schedules, EasyFundMe may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, EasyFundMe in 2026 is a flexible tool, but only when used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution, not a permanent crutch. Subscribe for more financial reviews and practical tips to manage your money smarter.